Everybody knows London, the Tower of London, Westminster Abbey, St. Paul's Cathedral. But this is London in 1850, at the height of the Industrial Revolution and the largest city on earth. Nearly one person in every 40 alive called London home. How? Through fair means or foul. Through industry, trade, innovation, and imperialism. London had become the beating heart of the world's largest empire, and this map shows the result. The medieval city had burst beyond its ancient boundaries. Railways stretched across the capital. Bridges carried thousands across the Thames every day. Parks offered green spaces in an increasingly crowded metropolis. And neighborhoods spread farther than Londoners only a generation earlier could have imagined. You can almost hear the hum of industry, the whistles of steam engines, the clatter of horse-drawn wagons, the endless movement of people, goods, and ideas flowing through the streets of the world's busiest city. This map doesn't just show London, it reveals the birth of the modern metropolis. A city whose influence reached every continent, whose wealth arrived from every corner of the globe, and whose streets reflected both the extraordinary achievements and the difficult realities of an empire at its height. Nearly 2 centuries later, millions still live, work, and travel along these same streets. The skyline has changed, the city has grown, but the blueprint of modern London was already here. Every map has a story to tell. We're here to uncover them. Welcome to Cities Through Time.